Welcome to YSN Lagos training. My name is Abolade Olawiyi. In this session, we'll continue our learning series on AutoCAD, and this is stage 1, level 2. In this level, we'll focus on plotting coordinates from Notepad and Excel into AutoCAD environment. This level builds directly on what was covered in stage 1, level 1. So please ensure you have watched that session for a better understanding of what we are going to do today. What we are doing is plotting coordinates from Notepad and Excel to AutoCAD environment, and the three softwares we are going to be using: AutoCAD, Notepad, and Excel. So let's go to my AutoCAD environment. This is my AutoCAD. The first thing you need to do is to create your AutoCAD drawing, your new project. I'm clicking on new, and after that, the next thing you need to do is to save your work. So I'm going to save mine, and I'm going to save it as training level 2. The next thing to do is to set our units, and to get that, we are going to come to the AutoCAD icon at the up left corner here, click on it, and come to drawing utilities and click on unit. Then we are going to set our unit. The degree type, the angle type is degree, minute, and seconds. The precision, I'm going to use 0 degree, 00 minutes, and 00 seconds. You can use 0 degree, 00 minutes as you like, but for the sake of this course, I'm going to be using this. And also for the length precision, I'm going to be using 3 decimal places. It depends on what you prefer, but we'll be using 3 decimal places. The next thing is you must set the angle to be clockwise. And if you come to direction here, make sure that the base angle is to the north. That is, all angle is calculated from the north. Okay, then for the insertion scale, make sure it is in meters, because meters is what we use in this part of the world. Click OK. And the next thing we need to do is to go to our Excel environment to bring in our coordinates. This is my coordinate, and as you can see, I have the coordinates here: station ID, nothings, and eastings. It can be presented anyhow. However, AutoCAD environment accepts coordinate in eastings, nothings. That means we are going to rearrange these coordinates and place the nothings at the right side of the eastings, and not eastings at the right side of nothings. So to do that effectively, so I'm going to copy the nothings coordinate here by selecting it and dragging it down, and Ctrl C to copy. That did not work. Ctrl C, yes. Then I'm going to come here again and paste it here, so that we have the eastings and nothings here. So I'm going to copy the coordinate. You can see that the first coordinate is repeated as the last coordinate here too. So I'm going to copy it now and come to my Notepad environment. Notepad. So here, the Notepad environment, we can paste the coordinate back to the Notepad environment. After doing that, change this space to comma, and how to do that is by selecting it like this and change it to comma. The faster way of doing it is by selecting the space and click on copy. Right click, copy, then you can come to edit, come to replace, and paste it here, and change the replace with to comma here and replace all. And it has done that for us. Select everything like this and click on copy. Please, if you see it copying an empty space at the base, please don't copy it like that. Make sure there's no empty space beneath it. And now copy it. After copy, you can come to your AutoCAD environment and paste it. And how we're going to paste it is by coming to the up left corner here and clicking on polyline. Polyline. Then after clicking on polyline, you can come and press here now in the command line. Then Ctrl V to paste, or you can right click and paste. After pasting, you can see that it has pasted specified next point on the command line. Then the last thing is to press enter again to enter the last coordinate. So enter, and you can escape. Then you can zoom to extent by using here, or by clicking Z, enter, E, enter. And this is the parcel that we plotted using our coordinates. we can verify the coordinates by clicking on the parcel and click on LI, that is list, to list the coordinate of the property. You can see here now that we have the coordinate, the X and the Y. If you look closely and compare with the one we have in our Excel and Notepad, you see that they are the same. And this is how to prepare our plan to plot it using coordinate from Notepad directly. You just need to arrange it in eastings, comma, nothings, and copy it. Come back to AutoCAD environment, click on polyline or line as the case may be. I prefer using polyline, and paste it. Then press enter. Then you will see it displayed, ready plotted in our AutoCAD environment. Thank you very much for following this level to the end. In the next level, we are going to be teaching you on how to plot using bearing and distance. And until then, my name is Abolade Olawi, and this is coming from YSN Lagos Training Committee. Thank you very much.